How to act like Sheldon Cooper. Ever wanted to be like your favorite character from The Big Bang Theory? All you need is the desire to become Sheldon Cooper and an unbreakable straight face. Part 1. Pursuing Sheldon-like activities. 1. Read some comic books. Try to get your hands on as many comic books as you can get. Classics like Superman are good. Sheldon is a fan of The Flash and Batman. If you can, try to get, and wear, the costumes too. Try to get first edition comics, keep them in mint condition. Be sure to boast about them. 2. Be knowledgeable in all sciences, especially physics. Study up on string theory, and other physics theories, be able to explain these to anyone who asks and defend your own theories. Stack your shelves with scientific books, and read them too. Constantly watch documentaries on any science subjects. 3. Be a video game geek. Get a few other nerd friends and form a group. You can have a wee bowling league, and a band on Rock Band. Try to get in a routine and have nights for each activity. For instance, Thursday night, Halo night, and Friday night, Wii tennis night. Try to get as many game consoles as possible. 4. Learn several languages as Sheldon knows a few. You could even learn sci-fi languages, such as Klingon. 5. Get more interested in any nerdy activity like watching Star Trek, Star Wars, Battlestar Galactica, etc. Part 2. Behaving like Sheldon. 1. Take everything everyone says seriously. Act like you don't understand sarcasm. Don't use sarcasm either. Say bazinga when you have told a practical joke. Don't play practical jokes too much though. 2. Get so attached to your daily routine that you absolutely can never change it, ever. Also, make a spreadsheet showing your routine, so that other people are aware of it. Put it up where people will see it. 3. Organize everything on your own. You can do this alphabetically, by color, or size. Make sure you and other people put everything back in exactly the same place. Have your cereal stacked according to fiber content. 4. Never use public transport. Buses carry diseases, as do trains and airplanes. But Sheldon is obsessed with trains. Just don't drive a car and have someone drive you if you can't find a train. 5. Try to eat the same foods anytime you order anything from anywhere. Repetition is how Sheldon thrives. He has a Thai night, a Chinese night, and so on. Eat takeout with your friends. 6. Find your favorite seat and always sit there. Make up reasons why that seat is perfect and you could not possibly sit anywhere else. Act extremely uncomfortable when forced to sit anywhere else. Sanitize every chance you get. Do not shake hands with others. 7. Be a germaphobe. Wash your hands as often as possible. Always carry a hand sanitizer with you and act uncomfortable when somebody is supposedly spreading their germs to you. 8. Make science jokes. Sheldon likes nerdy jokes. Search for some funny, yet eccentric science jokes. 9. Observe some key day-to-day events and search for them on the internet. Prepare an explanation for them. Sheldon never misses the chance to throw some fun fact out of his head to the people around him. 10. Act intellectually superior to everybody else. You'll have to get the best grades in school and read. Part 3. Interacting with others. 1. Never hug anyone, and avoid physical contact with people. Be awkward in social situations. Never go to parties unless forced to do so. 2. Make a roommate agreement, assuming you have a roommate. If you don't, then look for one. 3. Make a relationship agreement, if you are in a relationship. Be careful with this though, as you don't want to annoy your partner until the point when they don't want to be with you. Preferably choose a partner who likes The Big Bang Theory too. 4. Knock 3 times whenever visiting someone. Say the person's name over and over before they answer the door. 5. Invite your friends to play Dungeons and Dragons and other board games. Have takeout food with precise requirements. Tips. When someone makes a statement about science that you know to be incorrect, correct them instantly. Obsess over an enemy. Sheldon has many enemies. Learn some of Sheldon's quotes. If someone calls you crazy, tell them, I am not crazy, my mother had me tested. Buy action figures and never take them out of the wrapper. Watch all of the Big Bang Theory episodes and buy the box set. Take notes while watching. Dress like Sheldon. Wear a long-sleeved shirt under a short-sleeved shirt, preferably a graphic tee such as a Flash shirt, Green Lantern shirt, etc. Keep in mind that Sheldon is similar to autistic people. While being like Sheldon, be careful not to mock or make a caricature of autistic people. Sheldon wouldn't make fun of people with disabilities, and you'll lose friends that way. Warnings. Never drink alcohol, take drugs, swear, or make exceptions. Avoid caffeine.